Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Amy here. So today I'm going to share with you guys a very lovely piece from Louis Vuitton, and it is the tiny backpack. I believe this Bicolor version actually came out not too long ago. I believe around summertime of 2021. So I haven't seen a lot of videos on this little cutie yet, but I think it definitely deserves its own spotlight. So this was actually a Christmas present from my boyfriend. He really likes the color combo of this piece, and it was not a white lie according to his words. Actually debating between getting the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini and the tiny backpack, but this time I decided to deviate a little bit from the regular LV monogram. I'm actually really happy about my decision. I love this light tan color highlighted by its Bicolor palette, hence the name. This is a backpack and it comes with two straps. It's a very practical and functional bag. I can wear it as a backpack, a crossbody, and the strap is adjustable as well. So right now I want to get into the details of this bag. So the logos around this bag are actually kind of concaved in. It's not really showing up on camera, but I really like that attention to detail. This bag features a fake buckle opening in the front, which is more convenient anyway, so you don't have to take it out of the buckle every time, and it is a snap closure. And the interior, it's just this one very spacious compartment. There are no pockets inside. Then on the back, it has a nice little zipped pocket right here. It is a very thin pocket, so you wouldn't be able to fit a lot in there. I think you can fit your cards, and that is probably about it if you don't want it to be too bulky. The good thing about getting a backpack is that it comes with two straps. So when I wear this bag as a crossbody, I can actually use the other strap on another bag. And when you want to wear it as a crossbody, you would just hook it onto the top two right there. Alright, so I actually found this little hack. I bought a chain from Amazon for like $7. Gold color is actually very darn close to the hardware on the bag itself. I just hook it on these two loops over here. If I don't want to wear the strap, I will just kind of carry it like this, and actually so convenient. So I really recommend, if any of you guys actually have this, just go ahead and grab a chain. When it comes to the roominess, this holds way more than my essentials. I actually like that it doesn't have compartments in there. I just kind of stuff everything in there and they fit like nicely and snug in there. So I'm gonna put in my phone and my wallet and also my keys and key pouch. And then I can also throw in a hair clip, just in case when I want to clip up my hair. And that is basically all I need. So thank you guys so much for staying around and watching my video. I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!